like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them. Hi guys. Hey, I'm here with my Fabfitfun mystery bundles. I scoot back, my pants fall down. Drives me crazy. So anyway, excuse me. Yeah, I'm still hacking. But anyway, I thought I would record these while I was recording everything else. Now, I know some people like the numbers on these, so this was 2404 Mystery 007. So there's that one. And I'll probably have to grab my knife. Okay, here we go. Sometimes you can get these out straight away, and sometimes it takes a minute. So I just grab my knife and just cut. Okay. Now these are the subscribe and save mystery bundles. They're $19 a piece. And you're guaranteed 3 items. And you always get over your $20. I forget how much the value is supposed to be. But I don't even know if it says it on there anymore. But you always get well over your value. And so I do get them on the subscribe and save. This is living proof texturizing foam. And I'll be honest with you, something's going to happen in it. I would assume you use it like a mousse. It's got a nice smell to it. But I'm not sure what the value of all this stuff is. If I can find it, I will tell you. If I can't find it, that means it's one of their exclusives. Now these, I know what these are by looking at them, but I don't know what shape they're supposed to be in. So let's just see. These are ice cube trays for the holidays, I guess. Green, which I've gotten my son's skull ones, but see, here's your little filling tube. Yeah, I think it comes out looking like a ball. Which this would be, like I told my friends, this would be great for a Jello shot. But I can't see what, here, this one's it's almost up, yeah. It's just a circle, it just makes a circle. So there's that. So I put them back in here. Because I very seldom use ice. Because I make my tea and I put it in the refrigerator, and I got my refrigerator about as cold as it can go, and I put it in my jug so it's cold all day, so I don't really use. Okay, so that'll be somebody's little filler. This hat is cute. This hat is adorable. What's the other thing in there? What's the other thing in there? Did I already put something in here? I don't know, but I think this hat is adorable. And I know the one person who would really love this. And she'll probably get it as part of her Christmas. And it's by Virginia Woolf. So it's probably an expensive hat. So that's the first one. I don't know what the other thing I had in there was. Oh, yeah, it was this. So that one was this, and the ice cube trays, and the hat. And I can tell you that hat is probably very expensive. So there's that. Then we'll go to this one. Let's see it. I'm just putting the knife right here. Okay. Now this one has Living Proof Detox Claiifying Shampoo. Well, it's actually Claiifying Detox Shampoo. And you know. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I don't know about this. Oops, got them in my nose. It's very And I know a lot of these bottles that are this matte color are recycled, and I can't squeeze them. But this shit's thick. It's very thick. It's very thick. I can't hardly get it out of there. But I'll try it. We'll see what happens. If I don't like it, I'll send it down the road. And then I got two Miamica luggage tags, and they're very cute. They say adventure weights, and it's got a little cherry on it. And I got some other ones, luggage tags, but I like these, and I might keep these because my bags, the ones I have right now, they look like, honestly, they look like camo, but they're flowers and not, but it looks like camo. That would stick out on them very well. So I'll probably give the other ones to my sister or my son or somebody, because we do travel. Now these, I don't usually wear socks, but if I have to wear socks, I prefer them to be the low cut because I just get so hot. I can't stand it. And this is, let's see, there's Summer and Rose, which I believe is one of their brands. Okay, and they feel nice. They're not those cheap little nylon ones. How many pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. And they're all kind of wintry colors. So I might actually keep these this year. And usually when I get all these socks in these boxes at Christmas, I give them to my sister because they're usually above the ankle. I can't stand it. I don't really like the socks. Okay, and so that box was these 2 items and the luggage tags, wherever I put them. Oh, I threw them over there already. So that's what that was. So well worth $19. Or even $29. I can't remember. Now I can't remember if it's $29 or $19. I'll post it because now I got myself confused. Okay, now I got one of these before. And I believe I got it in one of my boxes. I think this is it. This might not be the same one, but it looks like it might go with it. So, and I believe I gave it to my sister. I asked my mom if she wanted it. She said no. So I said, okay, I'll put it up for Darla. So, because my mom's very fussy about her stuff matching. This is not the same. So, one I gave her was like a hamper. And these are just 3 little carry-alls. And this is the smallest. This is the smallest. Then you have the medium. Then you have the large. And the large will hold quite a bit. So I'll probably give these to my sister. I'll put them in her box. And she'll never know they weren't part of her box. Until she subscribes. And then she's really going to be upset. Yeah, because I believe they match that hamper. Quite honestly, which she could put these in her bathroom, in different places in her bathroom, and it would look like it's intended that way. So yeah, she'll like that. Everybody loves it when Fabfitfun comes. Of course, I'm sure those were expensive. Because they're the real hefty ones. They're not the little cheap ones. Okay, and then I got Invisabobles, which I had one in my hair the other day, which is the first time in a long time. When my hair is long, I do use them, and something's going to have to happen here. It's either going to have to grow to get all this out, or I'm going to have to cut it again because I can't stand it. But when my hair is long, I do use these. So I had a little tiny ponytail at the top of my head, and wouldn't you know, here comes Jerry Wayne. Wouldn't you know? So there's that. And the last thing I got was Grow Alchemist Enzyme Exfoliant Papin Amino Complex. A lot of words we don't understand. And this is what it looks like. And it's very similar to it looks very similar to that brightening serum I got in there right now. But it's foaming. Wait a minute. Maybe that's what I put on my hand before. So let's just see. No, it's foaming. It's foaming. So I don't know. Maybe it's a wash. Huh. I have to check that out. Yeah, so there's that. I didn't smell it, did I? Really I couldn't tell if it had a smell. All the shit I've been putting on me, I couldn't tell if it had a smell. I had to. So anyway, those are my 3 mystery bundles. As I say, you always get your value. Usually you well exceed it. So come on back. Like, subscribe. And I did put lipstick on, but I just didn't put Jeffrey on today. Bye.